My name is Jeanette Chabot. I am writer and interpreter. The title of my workshop is How to Die in Order to Live. Facing the only certainty in our lives, death, gives you peace of mind, which in turn will allow you to live fully. I have decided to participate in this workshop because Aya, the founder of Find Your Element, is very dear to me. And besides, I turned 70, and it's about time that I share what I have learned with you. See you at my workshop.
So my learning point today is that we all have to face that we are going to die, and we have to communicate with our family members, with society, the way how we're gonna die. And if that's something which become normal communication, not taboo, then makes our lives more valuable. So I really enjoyed tonight, and I'm looking forward for the next workshop. Thank you.
今日は来てとても良かったです。生まれることも、死ぬことも、僕は自分で決められないことだと思ってたんですが、実際に安楽死の話を聞いたときに、いろんなガイドラインやセーフティーネットがあるような状態を聞いて、自分の中に安楽死という一つの、概念が、ちょっと今日お話を聞いて大きくなったような気がします。ありがとうございました。
I'm very familiar with life prolonging treatments, but I had no idea about euthanasia. So this time for me it's very fascinating, and I think I'm very lucky to hear and learn about this topic.